Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, if you'd like to see how I get this gorgeous wig to be glueless, just keep on watching. So pretty much this hair, before I jump into the video, I'm just going to make this part really short. So this hair is from ISEE Hair. They sent me a 24-inch 180% density kinky curly wig. It was a lace frontal wig, so it goes from ear to ear, and yeah, I'm just going to show you how I get my wigs to be glueless for the winter time, because you know we love to change our hair up a lot and we'd like our wigs to last longer, so why not make them glueless? Like, all you need is a band and your needle and thread to get this look, so just keep on watching. This is the box that the wig came in. Don't mind my nails, by the way, I have two missing nails. It's so gorgeous. It's this nice marble situation. Of course I ripped it up, but on the inside packaging is amazing. We love to see good packaging, and it's just really good presentation with the wig. So they sent me this edge brush. It's pink, my favorite color. They also sent me this pamphlet. On the inside is pretty much a care manual, which shows you like all the girls, all the textures, colors, a variety of different females. We love to see the melanin sisters on here. They show us how to take care of the hair, brushing it, washing it, air drying, mousse, all that stuff. And you can get cash back. Definitely read your pamphlets. You can get cash back if you make a YouTube video and it gets a certain amount of views. So right here it shows you all their social media, so their Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, and how to contact them via email, WhatsApp, and their website. So this is the wig. This is their 24-inch kinky curly 180 density, full of life, bouncy, gorgeous wig unit. So it's a 13x6 wig unit, long parting space. You can part it on the side if you'd like. You really don't need too much lace over here. This does good for a deep side part, so just in case y'all were wondering, it comes through. The wig is pre-plucked. I did go ahead and bleach it, hence why it's bleached on the inside and you see like bleach stains and stuff. But it is a lace front wig. The cap is really stretchy, so even if you have a bigger head for the size that you chose, it stretches, so you're honestly good. And you have the combs and the band. I usually take out these combs because they usually bother me, but I leave this comb in to make sure my wig is secured in the back. And I definitely go ahead and tighten these straps in order to make my wig glueless, but I will add extra security in this video in order to show you lovely ladies how to ensure that your gorgeous 24-inch kinky curly wig is glueless from ISEE Hair, which means you don't have to worry about putting glue on your hairline and so on and so forth. So y'all, this is a gorgeous 24-inch unit after washing it, cutting the lace, plucking, and all of that. So I'm gonna just turn the wig inside out. You'll see it on my mannequin head, and let's just get into how I make my wig glueless. So this time around, I have my big band instead of the small one. You can cut it to your liking, but this is what I prefer. So I have my needle and thread. So you don't want to put the band here. That's wrong. Your wig is gonna look crazy. You don't want to put it up here. It's going to hurt your head. So where you actually want to place it is above your ear and slanted. So this is how it's supposed to be placed. It can be placed like this as well. That works. You need to have a little tension, so you don't want it to be a full like back hair situation, because it tends to be uncomfortable. So what I'm gonna do is just have it slanted going upwards like this. Give it like an inch before the lace starts to do it. So this is gonna be a little hard, not really, but yeah. Once you have it slanted, just hold your finger down on it and get the elastic band and the needle through, and the thread through the elastic band. Get a needle and a thread through the elastic band. So now I'm pretty much just sewing. To do the other side, a lot of people say don't do it like this. I prefer to do it like this, to be honest with you. And again, just stretch the band around, make sure that it's slanted diagonally upwards, and begin to sew. Make sure it's at the edge, and make sure that it's about an inch away from where your frontal starts. I'll go ahead and stretch it, and poke a pin in it so it doesn't go anywhere, and it allows you to sew whatever excess. So pretty much do it like that. Make sure that your band isn't flipped around. For the purpose of this video, again, this is why I'm showing you guys like this. This is why it might look a little awkward. So it's still the proper way. I'm literally just slanting it so it looks like it's bent, but please do not bend your elastic band. Now just taking the needle through the lace and the elastic and sewing upwards in that diagonal motion again. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the pins out of the wig, take the pins out of the frontal, and on the inside of your wig, your band is to look like this. And once it's like that, just flip it over. It's perfect on the inside of the wig. Give me scalp. Give me freaking scalp. So that is how you make your wig glueless, lovely ladies. So let's just jump into a little bit about this hair. So this wig is from ISEE Hair. They sent me their 24-inch kinky curly wig, lace front wig, adjustable band in the back, straps, all of that in order to make your wig glueless. I pretty much showed you every single step that I would usually do in order to make it glueless. Sometimes you don't need a band, sometimes I will add a band just for extra security. So this is definitely going to be one of my staple wig units that I wear whenever I'm going out, whenever I just want to drag a cute wig on, and I don't want to do too much to my hair. This is perfect, especially for those girls who don't want to ruin their edges with a whole bunch of glue. This style is definitely for you, lovely ladies. So yeah, they sent me this kinky curly wig. I actually love it. It is 24 inches, so it's right here. It's pretty thick. It's 180% density, to my knowledge, so it's really thick. The wig unit has a lot of hair on it. It is soft, it is lightweight, and that's something that I definitely appreciate. it being soft and lightweight. You don't want too much hair on your head. It's just heavy, and then it just takes so long to dry when it's a lot of hair. So this is just like perfect. This is the perfect medium. It's not too much and it's not thin at all, absolutely not. As you can clearly see, so far it has been doing good. Minimal shedding, and for curly hair, that's amazing. I haven't received too much shedding when I brushed this hair. When I plucked this hair, it was a little over plucked. Everyone loves curly hair, loves them a nice staple curly wig, and I feel like this is it. And for the first time, a kinky curly wig actually stretches. It does show that it's kinky curly in some parts, but it does stretch. It has a very nice stretch to it, so the hair isn't super curly. It literally is just a tight curl pattern. And I love that, appreciate that, because when you buy 24 inches, you want at least 22 or 20 inches, especially because it's curly hair. You won't definitely get the 24, but once you stretch it, you'll realize that, oh yeah, this is 24 inches. So I love this hair. I think you will love it too. So I will leave the links to ISEE Hair, this wig, all of their social medias, everything. Definitely go and check it out. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you ladies in the next one.